Another important question to consider is, will self-driving cars solve congestion problem? Traffic congestions brings economic losses in hundreds of billions of dollars in America alone. So do you think that cars that are controlled by computers can solve this problem? Let's see what kind of benefits we can have. So if cars are controlled by the computers, they will have better coordinations between cars, and hence we will have less accidents. The use of AI will also lead to better logistics, for example, more effective use of buses and trucks, etc. However, economists suggest that congestions will remain. It is because traffic congestions is indeed an economic problem, and our roads are underpriced. Many places in the world do not impose tolls on road. That means roads are mostly free, and that's why people are using them. Only a few places like London and Singapore impose tolls on roads. So if people need to pay for using roads, then they will think carefully before they are using them, or they will join other people when they use them. A good example would be mass transit railway. Initially, the reductions in traffic will make the area more attractive. So more people will move into this area as a result, and hence the traffic will increase again. If we have self-driving cars, there may be new use of roads such as driverless delivery service. So how can AI help population aging? In developed countries, we have lower birth rate and longer lifespan. This results in population aging and lack of workforce, and hence there will be a higher demand on healthcare service. So AI can mitigate the situation by replenished workforce through task automation. Robots or AI will do the job instead of human being. Allow more workforce to move into the healthcare industry. So when you free people up through automation, then more people can move into the healthcare industry. AI in health tech can also improve healthcare. This also helps lessening the burdens on the healthcare industry.